Hi everyone. As you already know, like Monday launched like Monday agents and all that. So it's just a quick walkthrough video. The first agent that we set up is for a property management company where the repair request comes from a custom form and that lands in an inbox, and from where this request intake maintenance agent gets triggered, and it will take all the information attachments and create a new request in Monday without touching anything. Before it was doing in a different way where it calls a webhook and webhook triggers the information and all of that process. So it's like a quick walkthrough video for you, like how we set it up and how it's working. So first of all, like in Monday agent, like there are different triggers. I'm just going to break it down for you, like how it works and all that. So there are different triggers in it, like when you mention it, assign it and all, email received in Gmail and all. So that is my trigger, because when a new email received in a Gmail account, that is the first trigger we're going to work it out. And again, like there are multiple different triggers like that make it very custom with these different apps, and many are coming out as well. You can run it now by clicking on it. And also this is the main part of it, like an instructions part. Okay, you need to extract name, email, phone number, this one, clean and refine. Description, whatever description written already there, you just need to rephrase it and give it in a more good way, and columns that they need to map information in. Okay, and then and we have a landlord information saved in another board in Monday, and once the property address comes in, it search for same property address there and take the landlord information and add into that request as well, so we can assign the next agent to send over the next email to the landlord for the information and all that. Okay, so there's certain information for this specific agent, its responsibility and all that, and we give him like 2 board accesses from where it needs to search and from where it needs to create the new request and all that. Then we give him like download attachment request, because when an issue comes in, there are plenty of attachments there that needs to work on and all that. And here, this is the maintenance custom format. It's very custom actually. How things gonna go like this: property address field is property linked, specifically linked with UK specific property addresses and all that. And once I click on continue and all that, it's gonna say like mice issues, for example, rats and mice. It's just gonna ask me some custom information on this. Okay, so let's say I just copied some information, paste it here. I just gonna click here. I'm gonna attach some of the images here really quick. These are the quick ones that I have. I just attached 2 images here. Blah blah blah. Continue. Then we have troubleshooting thing. If it's like any holes there, it left out there, do notice residents. Blah blah blah. But yes, continue. If it's a no, then it asks the next question if needed. Then this is all the information and all that. Confirm, click report submit and all that. Once the report submitted, it sends us like a quick email. Okay, it sends a quick email to the email address. Let's say I hit submit. Once it's submitted, if I go into the inbox here, like this is my inbox, we just refresh it, and this is the AI agent. Like here you can track all the activity here. The best part of Monday agents here is like you can work on the information and it keep listening to your emails, like whatever emails you are receiving, it keeps listening to that, and once it hits the information, the email sits right away in your funnel and all that. So this is the email that we just received from the website and all that. This is the information that we filled in with the attachments and all that. Go into AI agents, click here. Then this comes up here. So you see this create item, it's in progress. You can click on it and you can keep seeing like the live progress of how it's taking. It's understanding the board structure. It understands the email. So I did not touch anything. It doesn't work that way, but it keeps an eye on all the new emails that you receive in your inbox. Now it's creating the item and also searching for the board with the property address, take the landlord information, then it will pass it back, and also like add that. You're gonna see this here, like the new property information comes up with the information that we filled in. And now what's the crazy part is like it rewrites this. Like over the last few nights, we have hearing scratches, and here I just give him a bunch of a big stuff like that's random and all that. And now if you're gonna see this, like it automatically picks up, matches the landlord information, fill out the landlord name and email address. And also if you're gonna see this here for the files also start coming up, and you can just keep track of all the information right away. Like if you're gonna see it's still in progress. And now it just say, okay, I'm working on download email attachments using Gmail integration, because I already give him the access to in the Gmail for download attachments and all. So now it's done, it's completed and all. So you see your attachments are right away here, whatever issues they reported and all. So they're directly added into the system and all good to go. So there's much more to come in this agents part. It's just one actually, the multi ones going in the process. So like this agents creates it, the next agents send email to the landlord and email replies back. Then the agents takes over from there, and back and forth much of the information that's gonna be flowing here. So there are many more different videos come to Monday agents in the coming week and the next ones and all that. So thank you so much for listening to me. That's really appreciated. And always here for any questions and all that. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.